Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Today we will discuss about the significant milestones achieved by Drdo Rustam-2 drone. Indian-made RUSTAM-2 male UAV crossed a major milestone after completing the night operation through externally pilot-operated mode. Now the UAV project moves one step closer to the serial production. Some unconfirmed reports suggest that Indian Defence Forces may order in tune of 70 plus RUSTAM-2 drones, from which majority of them will go to Army aviation. It has already completed the satellite navigation link trials and automatic takeoff and landing capability, which was a major milestone. In March 2022, RUSTAM-2 crossed another major milestone when it achieved a flight altitude of over 27,000 feet with flight endurance of 18 hours. Currently the UAV is powered by two NPO Saturn 3060 engines delivering 100 HP each. The production model RUSTAM-2 will be powered by CVRDE developed 180 HP engine, which will further boost the performance of the aircraft. Later the RUSTAM-2 engine will be upgraded to indigenously developed 220 HP diesel engine. The UAV is capable of carrying different combinations of payloads depending on the mission objectives, including electronic intelligence systems and situational awareness systems. The advanced version of RUSTAM-2 will include greater endurance of 3,000 km and service ceiling of 50,000 feet. In addition to the recon ability, it can deploy a wider variety of weapons. As per Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, 5 number of RUSTAM-2 UAV will go into production from May 2022 onwards, as their subsystems are ready and it would be offered to the armed forces for evaluation. HAL further said that the RUSTAM-2 drone will be 1/8 times cheaper than imported comparable drones and it will save lots of money. The payload capacity of RUSTAM-2 is 350 kg in its current configuration. The payload type will surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) payloads with its synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical sensors. However, no weapon payload is envisaged in RUSTAM-2 now. DRDO is developing an armed UAV based on the prototype of RUSTAM-1, which is called DRDO Archer. It is in same class of Turkey's Bayraktar drone, which can carry a weapon payload of 90 kg and maximum takeoff weight of 720 kg. The DRDO Archer has a line of sight operation of 200 km and can attain an altitude of 22,000 feet. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends.